Hey there, it's Vicki Marie. I hope you're doing well today. I am here, I just left Walgreens and I bought a few things at Walgreens I want to share with you. I'm going to multiple stores today. I'm out running errands. So you may see more than one video where I'm actually wearing this gray shirt. I've been wearing gray shirts a lot. I have like 3 or 4 gray shirts. So I'm not always wearing the same shirt every day, but you probably will see this shirt showing up in at least a couple videos. So I went to Walgreens, and if you guys have been with me a while, you know I recently had a face reaction to some makeup. So I'm using my own kind of concoction, I'm in John's truck too, so the lighting's going to be a little different here, and I apologize for that, and I've got to hurry because the sun's it's hot. It's like in the 80s here, and I didn't want the air on. So I had a reaction to some makeup, some Lancome, and some really nice cream, some different things. So I stopped using everything, and I started using, just to soothe it, some shea butter and coconut oil, which I will put that video in my description on the skincare. I talked about that if you're interested. But it's just a really easy skincare thing that I was making, and I finally went in today because my face has been clear for a while. Like, I haven't had any reactions. I'm feeling pretty good. I went back to talk to a friend of not a friend of mine. She's an expert. She's a cosmetologist, and she works at one of my Walgreens near my home, like where I like to go. Her name's Cindy, and she is just really, really good. She has helped me more than once. And so she's helping me sort of through this, and I went and talked to her today. So I'm going to show you a couple of things I'm going to start trying again. Now, this is a little bit, I've done some of this before, but I'm bringing it back into my skincare treatment after taking a break. So I stopped using everything. I'm going to start using the Retinol Serum again, the CeraVe Retinol Serum, before I go to bed at night. It's the only thing I'm going to be putting on my face after I wash it at night. And I'm telling you this because I'm going to touch base with her again in a couple of weeks to give her an update. So sharing it with you is also going to help me, I think. So she doesn't know I vlog. Maybe I'll tell her that. I'm really I don't tell a lot of people that. So Retinol Serum before I go to bed at night. And on the nights I use this, I'm going to try to use it several times a week. But it depends. I'm going to see how my face reacts. And if I like this, I may go up to more potent retinol, but this is apparently not, I don't know how much is in here, like as far as, it does have 3 essential ceramides. Anyway, it's just a CeraVe Skin Renewing Retinol Serum. The serum does kind of get down into the skin layers and helps to repair the damage from just the damage while you're sleeping. So that's what I'm going to be using before I go to bed, as many nights as I can a week, working up to maybe every night, but I don't know yet. And on the nights I use this, I won't use anything else. The next thing I'm going to be starting in the morning after I wash my face, and after I wash my face, I will be putting on the Skin Renewing Vitamin C Serum from CeraVe. Again, CeraVe is just a really good brand, I think, and it's one that she recommends. I think her favorite is actually number 7, but I'm going to start with this brand. And I've used these before. I've used vitamin C and I've used retinol, but because of the reaction I had, I want to be really careful, slowly easing back into this routine. And these are very affordable. They had them buy one, get one 50% off today. So I went ahead and I bought a vitamin C and a retinol. And I also bought some blush. I've been using the liquid blush thing, but I did talk to her about makeup. I told her I did like a light coverage now and then, and so she did recommend the L'Oreal BB cream, and I did get it in a lighter color. So I did pick up some of this. So I'm gonna try that again. It's the BB cream. We will see. One thing I did not realize this. Did you know L'Oreal owns Urban Decay, or L'Oreal owns many of the Maybelline, many of the brands. L'Oreal is the king when it comes to, like, they own everything. Not everything literally, but a lot of brands you would be surprised. So when you go to the drugstore and you pick out L'Oreal instead of, or you buy L'Oreal, you really are getting a dupe for the higher end products. Okay, that's not, I mean, that's something I'm learning. So I'm not a makeup expert at all, but I did not realize L'Oreal owned so much. I got some more of the Sky High. I bought some Maybelline the other day, Great Lash, because I used it for so long, and I noticed on one of my videos that I had a little bit of smudging again, and I don't get that when I wear the Sky High, but I get it when I wear the Great Lash, so I did buy some more of this. And I did get, I curled my hair a little bit today, and I got some of this Tresemme Ultra Fine Hairspray. I picked up some of that because I have no hairspray, and I thought I'm going to maybe use a little bit of this. It's supposed to lock in moisture and lock out frizz, so we'll see. But I did want to get a little hairspray. Did you guys notice I told you guys I took the scissors and cut my own hair? I went and got a haircut, and I decided I wanted to frame my face more. So I actually, it's not a professional cut. It is, except I took the scissors to it. So apparently, eventually I'm gonna have to go get it fixed and get it done better. But I like to frame my face. I did buy some blush, and this is the L'Oreal True Match blush. Got some of that because I just did not have any blush. And that's my simple little haul, y'all. And I just wanted to share that with you. I continue to explore the world of makeup, like how much do I want to wear. From what I'm understanding, retinol and vitamin C really are good for us. And that's all. There's one other thing that I'm using right now, and I haven't talked about it. It's a supplement that I'm taking. I'm going to do another video on that. I'm trying to do some research and really give you some good information on it before I actually film that video. So it's taken me a while, but I've just completed about 6 weeks on this supplement. I didn't even want to mention it till I actually got to use it, and I can tell you. But it's why I'm sleeping better. It's why I have the energy to go to the gym. That's what I think. Can I prove that? No, but I can tell you I went back into the gym after being on that supplement about a month, and anyway, I started getting some good sleep, so I am gonna come back with a video on that. So, and once I film that, I'm gonna try to link that video here to this one, so if you're watching this a year from now, you'll get to see that. I'll see if I can remember, and if I don't, let me know in the comments, okay? But you'll be able to find this video coming up soon. It's going to be one on a supplement that I've been taking. I'm going to share that with you on another video. All right, I'm going to run into Big Lots. That's going to be a whole other thing. Like, yeah, you might see a haul coming up, but if I don't buy anything, you won't. So, all right, I want to thank you so much for being here and joining me on this journey called Midlife and Beyond, really. I'm learning all kinds of things, and I'm changing every day. I mean, we do after we turn 50, I think, so many changes. And I'm just navigating those changes, trying to keep it fun, trying to keep it light. And I do a little bit of everything here on my vlog. So hopefully if you subscribe, you'll find some other videos that you will enjoy. I hope you're doing really well. Take care. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you on the next one.